Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Biola Party Heaven, and today we are doing a tutorial on a 3D flower, or we call it distortion technique. So we're going to be using Quicklinks for this flower, and you also need 260Q. So in total I used 10 Quicklinks, 10 because I double stuffed black Quicklink into the rose pink Quicklink, and then you need a 260Q balloon. So you grab your 260Q and you put it into the 12 inches Quicklink balloon. I know some people are going to ask, oh, what is a Quicklink balloon? Quicklink balloons are double-ended balloons. So they have the knot part where you're going to tie it off, and then it has another end where you can tie it onto another balloon. You can see. So stuffing your 260Q using a stick, and then inflate the 12-inch Quicklinks first, and then you put your hand pump into the 260Q that you have stuffed into the Quicklink balloon, and then you count the pumps. So I put in 5 pumps into this. So the counting is, when you pull it out, pull it in, you're counting. So this would help you have equal sizes of the distortion flower. So once you've done that, you press out the air, or you could just set aside without pressing it out just yet. And you do not tie the balloon outside. Can you see? So I am pressing it into halves, and then I tied the two ends together. Now my tying is tying the 260Q inside, so the neck of the 260Q inside to the other end of the Quicklink balloon, and then you press it, spread it out, and that is one shape. You repeat this step 1 4 more times to get your 5 petals. Now guys, you're going to be worrying, oh, I didn't get this the first time. All these techniques actually takes practice. Even an expert would, fail at times while doing this. Trust me, there are times I've done this and it wasn't the way I wanted it. So guys, do not panic if you're not getting it the first time you try out. Just keep practicing, 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 and you will definitely get it at the end of the day. Like I say to myself, a thing that doesn't have a mouth like I do shouldn't be as powerful as I am. Now you have all your petals. All you need to do is to shape them up. So they all look the same. Remember, you do not tie off the 11 inches balloon, or would I say the Quicklink balloon. You do not tie it at the end. The only thing you need to tie is the 260Q, and tie it to the end or the other end of the Quicklink balloon. Reason is because if you tie off the mouth of the 11 inches balloon, you find out that by the next day the balloon has hair in it. I don't know why that happens, but that's what just happens. So leaving it open and just tying the balloon inside helps. Now you get your U-glue dash and you place it at strategic positions. Now, to get your strategic position, all you need to do is lay out the balloons like I've done here. Can you see I am laying it and checking the spaces so that everything will come together. So I place the U-glue dash at the points where they meet so they can form a easy flower. Now, a distortion flower can be used in anything. It is so good. Once you master the, different styles of these flowers, you could use them in any design. You could use them to add accents to your organic design, that is your garlands. It gives you that extra wow factor. It makes it look different, and it's something you could use to stand out amongst your competition. That different extra thing you could add as a balloon designer. So it's something you should practice and perfect. And there are so many styles of the flower. You could have your own spin on it. You could use 5 inches to create the flower. You could use 3 petals. You could, there's so many ways you could, use these flowers to like wow your clients. Now get a 5 inches balloon and break them into 2. That is, you inflate it just with like maybe 2 pumps, and you break it into 2, wrap it round, and then wrap the 2 balloons together, and you glue it into the middle of your flower. You could also decide to just use the 5 inches without breaking them into 2 and just placing it in the middle using U-glue dash. If you need U-glue dash, I've got some in my Amazon store. Link to my Amazon store is in the description. can see I'm placing the glue dash at, you know, strategic points. Next, I'm using a 260Q to, you know, create an extra accent, which is like, I'll call it like a stem that comes with flowers. So you get your 260Q and you inflate it halfway, and then you create a pinch twist, then 2 bubbles, pinch twists, 2 bubbles, pinch twist, 2 bubbles, pinch, then twists, pinch, then twist again. Then you create a bubble again. So you could create as many as you want of this to just, you know, jazz up your balloon design. And there you have it. Once you get to the end of your 260Q, just tie it off and nip off the end, and then tie off the end, and make sure you cut off your mechanics. And that's it. Trying to tie off here now. Then you wrap it around. So you could either place it inside or at the back of your flower, whatever you choose. Thank you guys for joining me, and see you next time. Remember, I'm going to be using this flower